it's Sandy, and in today's nail art video, Hannah will be showing you how to create these really unique and gorgeous water marble hearts. This nail art technique is perfect for Valentine's Day, so guys, if you love it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.
Hi, it's Hannah. Let's start off by applying a base coat to help protect our natural nails. Next, apply a white polish for your base color. Next, drip red, light pink, and pink polish into a small cup or shot glass filled with room temperature water. Filtered water tends to work best, but tap can work too, and I also find really good results with OPI and Sally Hansen polishes, but it's all really about trial and error. So now use a toothpick to carefully drag the polish down the center to form a cute heart. Line the nail up with the heart and then dip it into the cup at a slight angle. You can see I already have liquid latex on, but you can also use tape to help protect the skin. Blow on the surface to dry the polish and then clean up the excess with the toothpick. Remove the nail and you should have a perfectly shaped heart. What is that? Well, since this is a total fail, I'm going to have to go to plan B. So basically, I'm going to be doing the same thing, but this time in a small bottle cap. Instead of doing any dipping, I'm going to let these dry for about 1 to 2 hours. Once they're dry, make sure the polish is detached from the cap. I'm just using a toothpick, and then carefully remove with tweezers. Now place the decal on a paper towel to soak up the water. To get these onto the nail, first apply a top coat over the white polish. You can also just use the top coat on the bare nails, but I feel like the white polish helps it stick better. Then grab your decal and gently press it onto the nail. Use a cuticle pusher to press around the nail. Sometimes this will detach the excess polish, but if not, you can also use 100% acetone to clean up around the nail. And for the excess on the tip, you can just file that off. Finish with a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Click the info card at the top right hand of the screen for more videos on CutePolish. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!